Hi everyone, first of all sorry guys, I couldn't record the starting part of this video. I didn't shoot it, but later I found out this was not saved properly. That's why I have show this video from the middle part. Please enjoy, keep the watching till the end. Today I am making a haunted diorama using Loki. Watch till the end. First, I took an old dry Loki that was lying on our roof. Then, I cut it to make length smaller. Now, I am applying black color inside it to create a dark haunted look. After that, I took whole putty and Fevicol, mixed them together. Then, I will use mixer make to silicone. First, I took a small wire and made round shape for the dry plant and tree, like look like scary, and मैंने इसको स्टेप बाय स्टेप मूव किया एंड इसको फोल्ड किया एक और ट्री की शेप देने के लिए. सो I applying on this black color our I was made silicone. I am taking piece of wood lying around, so I use them name sign and look like sky haunted. I feel that it's very funny haunted house, and I like funny skeleton. ओके, आप फाइनल लुक देखेंगे कैसा बनता है. आफ्टर दैट आई टुक ड्राई कोकोनट हस्क टू मेक ड्राई ग्रास फॉर द स्काई ग्राउंड सीन. I am setting coconut husk side by side on this house, and I am setting all like wood nameplate and dry tree. Okay, I am setting all this inside and look like this sky. Okay, see you again guys.